Hi, this is Steve. I'm the British Railroader and I'm here at Prittlewell station around about 11 o'clock at night, and I'm here because the 1Q98 is going to come through. I don't know what the 1Q98 is, but it's not your average train, so it'll be here in about 5 minutes and we'll see if we can get a shot of it. Okay, so that was the train that just went through. I'll try and look it up. It looks like it was some kind of Network Rail train. Gave us a little honk of the horn there. But there you go, bit of a surprise for a Wednesday evening. But anyway, this is Steve, the British Railroader, saying goodbye for now from Prittlewell Station. Bye-bye.